In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn off driving mode on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your settings. Next, hit on focus, and there you got the list of all your focus modes. Just hit there on driving, and here you may do the following. You first may enable or disable that mode right now. So now you can enable it. You see this little car icon at the status bar, and also you can disable that mode manually. Next, you may try to go into turn on automatically settings right there and switch this mode, activate mode to manually, so it wouldn't be able to switch automatically as it's set by default. You can set it to manually, or for example when connected to car Bluetooth, to be able to use driving mode just when you drive your car. Also, you can go back for a step and there completely delete that focus mode. Just hit delete focus and delete this mode completely from that list. That's how it works, guys. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.